How many windows should a house have? Dear friends, the average home should have between 4 to 9 windows. The number of rooms in the home typically dictates how many windows are in the final design. A home with 6 rooms, living room, dining room, kitchen, bathroom, and 2 bedrooms, should have between 8 to 9 windows. Let's unpack the importance of choosing the correct number of windows for your new home design or for renovating your house. We'll look at the importance and purpose of windows in home design. The number of windows used in home design depends on the number of rooms in the house. The size of the room also dictates the number of windows in the room. For example, a bedroom might have 1 window, but the lounge may have 2 or 3, depending on its size. The positioning of the room concerning the sun also determines the number of windows suitable for the room design. For instance, most homes allow east-facing windows to catch the early morning sun. However, your home design might not accommodate east-facing rooms. Let's run through a scenario. A home with 2 bedrooms, a living room, 2 bathrooms, and a kitchen would require 2 windows in the lounge, 1 in the guest bedroom, 2 in the master bedroom, 1 in the kitchen and bathrooms. That equates to 8 windows in total, which is within the average range. However, standards are just that, standards. There's no building code stipulating how many windows a home must have. You can choose to add windows wherever you want. Ask an architect or window company what they think about installing windows or the types of windows you should use in your home design. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.